What's up out there? Happy Sunday afternoon. Today's a special day. It's all coming together. I got my Astros hat on, supporting a team that I like. Got my Wilt Chamberlain shirt on. And I had a new idea, so I'm gonna share it here. And that is putting a video together. Those of you that have been following my work, you see that I'm exploring and searching for the best way to share what it is that I truly believe in and love to communicate. So here's another attempt from a genuine place. And I thought something from Ido Portal, which I know a lot of people know, and I heard his approach and I was like, wow, that sounds like what I've been doing for a long time. So I'm gonna borrow some of the nomenclature, which is take an idea, make it into a practice, and then play with that or turn it into a story. So start with like a thesis, then you have a sentence, and then you turn that into a whole story. So today's idea is breath and movement together. It comes from Qigong, which means energy work in Chinese martial arts. So it means that breath and movement spiral with each other, through each other. One informs the other, one supports the other. So that's the idea, that's the thesis, the seed. The practice is called three-dimensional breathing. That's what I call it. And we're gonna take the hands and use them to manifest the breath. And then the play, well, that's the play, that's the story, that's the journey. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is backwards or not. If it is, I apologize. Maybe it is. Anyway, the idea, the practice, the play. And I'm gonna do them all together so you can see how they connect. Cool. Ideas, our breath, and our movement go together. So first thing we're gonna do is drop into our breath, our inhale, and our exhale. Our inhale, and our exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. Take the hands, and we're going to follow that breath. So inhale, the hands expand, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. That's just 3 dimensions, so we're going to add another dimension. Go up and down. Inhale, exhale. Switch the hands, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale, exhale. Last dimension, our Z-axis front and back. Inhale, expand into space, exhale. Change the hands, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale, exhale. So again, we're tying together that idea of how do our breath and our movement coexist. We're bringing that into one simple practice, which is my hands manifest that breath in 3 dimensions. That's left and right, up and down, front and back. And now, without planning it, how can I let that movement turn into a little play, a performance, a story you can enjoy and watch, or you can also try it for yourself, whatever you prefer. Once I let go of the constraint, my body has its own imagination. Bamboya. so on and so on. Idea, breath and movement together. Practice. The hands manifest the breath in 3 dimensions. The play, the story, the performance. That's up to you. Enjoy. I always forget. Share these videos. That's what everyone tells me to do. Share them. Tell people to share them. Encourage them to share them. I want this work to spread, to change the culture that we have around our body. Make it more of a medium for curiosity and change and celebration and expression. And through that we heal. So play with these things. Share them. I'll be very indebted to you. Thank you very much.